Welcome to our discussion today. Today, we want to look at how to solve logarithmic equations. Our learning objectives are 1. To understand what a logarithmic equation is. 2. Learn step-by-step method to solve logarithmic equation. 3. Practice solving examples on your own. Recognize and avoid common mistakes. So, what is a logarithm? A logarithm is the inverse of an exponential function. If b to power of y equals x, then log x base b equals y. Basic properties. We have the following basic properties. There are more than these, but these are what we consider in our discussion today. Log b base b equals 1. Log 1 base b equals 0. Log xy base b equals log x base b plus log y base b. Log x divided by y base b equals log x base b minus log y base b. Log x to power of k base b equals k log x base b. Now, let's consider strategy to solve logarithmic equations. 1. Isolate the logarithmic term. Next, if multiple logs, combine them into one using properties. So you use properties to combine multiple logs. Next, rewrite the logarithmic equation into exponential form. Next, solve for the variable and check for extraneous solutions. Logarithms must have positive argument. Take note. Example 1. Solve log x base 2 equals to 5. So we will write it into its exponential form. Thus, x to the power of 5 equals 2 to the power of 5 equals x. And solve. Of course, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Hence, x equals 32. Example 2. Solve log x minus 1 base 3 plus log x plus 1 base 3 equals 2. Step 1. Combine logs using property. In this form, in this case, this is addition. So we'll combine with addition property and we will have log 3, log base 3, and the products. You see, what we have here now becomes a product, that is x minus 1 times x plus 1 all base 3 equals 2. So the next step, we simplify the inside. When we simplify the inside, we'll have x squared minus 1 log base 3 equals 2. So this is what we'll have. The log of x squared minus 1 base 3 equals 2. So what do you do next? We write in exponential form. So that would be x squared equals x minus 1. X squared, 3 squared equals x squared minus 1. You know why? This is base, it was in base 3. So that is why we are having this 3 square, 3 square equals x square minus 1. So you keep simplifying. We have 9 equals x square plus 1. So you solve. When you solve this, you transfer this to this other side. You will have x square equals 10. And we solve for x. X equals plus or minus the square root of 10. So you can check your solution. Since only positive numbers are allowed in logarithm, so thus the answer is x equals root 10. So when we are given a logarithmic equation to solve, you should consider the following step. Start with the equation. Isolate the logarithm term. Combine multiple logs and rewrite in exponential form. Solve for the variable and check for extraneous solution. As simple as that. So try this on your own. Solve for x. Log x base 5 equals 3. Also solve this. Log. So for x, log x plus 4 equals 2. Since the base is not mentioned, you should know that the base is 10, called the common log. So solve for x in this. Log x minus 1 base 2 plus log x plus 3 base 2 equals 3. So when you're solving the first question, you recall that log a base b equals c means b to power of c equals a. So 5 to power of 3 equals x. Simplify, you'll have that 5 to power of 3, of course, equals 1 to 5. Therefore, x equals 1 to 5. 2. You will ask to solve for x in log x plus 4 equals 2. So recall that log a base 10 equals c means 10 to power of c equals a. Log a base 10 equals c implies 10 to power of c equals a. So 10 to power of 2 equals x plus 4, and 100 equals x plus 4. So you subtract 4 from both sides. You want to make x the subject of the formula. So we have this. Therefore, x equals to 96. The final answer is x equals 96. So we were asked to also solve for x in the given equation. So what do you do is to use the logarithmic property, which says log a base b plus log b base b equals log a times b base b. So we are using this logarithm property, and when we apply, we arrive at this, we combine. So we are here. Next, we expand. We expand. So if we expand, what you have inside here, this is what you will have. Opening of the brackets, we have x squared plus 2x minus 3. So log x squared plus 2x minus 3 base 2 equals 3. By divination, 2 to the power of 3 equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. You should know where 2 is coming from. 2 is coming from here, and 3 is coming from here. So we have this. So x equals 8 equals 2 square plus 2x minus 3. So we add 3 to both sides. Simplify to have this. You keep simplifying to arrive at here. You rearrange to have this. At this point, we have a quadratic equation. So solving this quadratic equation using this formula, we have where a equals 1, b equals to c equals to minus 11. We have this, we just plug it in into the quadratic equation. You simplify and arrived at this final solution that x equals minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 3. So, as you can see, the possible solution is this, that of the negative, the positive, and the negative. So, x equals minus 1 plus 2 root 3, or x equals to minus 1 minus 2 root 3. So approximately x will be this. So you can see that 2 root 3 is approximately 3.464. So for x, you have this, which is approximately this. So both x minus 1 and x plus 3 are positive, valid. So for this part now, as you can see, it leads us to negative. So hence invalid, because in logarithm we consider the positive. So this is our final answer. So key things you should learn from this: always isolate the log before converting to exponential form. Combine multiple logs using properties before solving. Always check your solutions. Logs must have positive argument. Practice makes perfect. Thank you. Thank you for learning with us. Keep practicing and you will master logarithmic equations. If you have any question, you are free to drop in the comment section for us. If there is any topic you want us to consider, you are free to share it with us in the comment section. We have published other mathematics topics which could be of interest to you. So you are free to go through our channels and see our discussions on other mathematics topics. Till I come your way again, remain thoughtful and working hard in solving mathematical problems. Don't just wait. As we have finished today, pick mathematics topic on logarithmic equations and try solving them yourself. Thank you.